All right, we are live.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got a couple cars left.
Yeah, it's all right. That's all right.
So you only ran with him so far.
I've only done one so far.
Yeah.
So I mean, so why don't you? Well, we got a second. Why don't you? They'll be able to hear.
Yeah.
What you run? What do you? You know, how have you progressed today?
Yeah. So in my class, I'm just trying to keep up with Mike Stewart, the red Pontiac.
Okay.
He's whooping my ass. So we'll see if I can improve this run. I think I'm sitting like 10th out of 13th, something like that. So you know, just trying to keep my head above the water.
Yeah. But like, you know, what kind of times have you been running?
My best time so far was 47.5.
What'd you start with today?
My first run was a 49, but I got lost. I was in like the 48s, and then I improved by like a couple tenths to get into the 47s. Hoping to do that again, get back into the 46 or into the 46. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes.
Yeah. No, I got faith. I mean, the whole thing is, I mean, really, even with drag and drive and all this stuff, it's like, you know, you got to beat yourself.
Yeah.
You know,
Exactly.
like it's cool to have a competitor and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
you're at the end of the day, you're racing yourself.
No, for sure.
So
Yeah.
as long as you keep doing exactly what you know what to do,
Oh yeah.
you're good, man.
It's you know, biggest change is going to be the driver mod.
Exactly.
You can change the setup all you want, but the driver's got to keep up. So.
Exactly.
I got it.
That truck's cool.
Oh, he's fast.
Yeah, it's so fast. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So you guys 47, 40.
Yeah,
like you were like
about 5 tons faster.
Yeah.
So, okay. Yeah, be icing.
Yeah. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
That was some driving.
Passengers, for some reason, they help me. I don't know why.
Hey, man, you don't got to twist my arm to ride again, man. Trust me. I will be more than happy. Yeah, dude.
Well, if you keep knocking off 5 tenths for me, I'm gonna keep you around for a while.
Yeah. Hey, man, I'm happy to record.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, this is it's crazy because like just the feel of the two cars.
Yep. You compared to the vet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just crazy, especially going like that quick, boom, boom, like going like not even no break.
Exactly.
That was just wild.
What were your thoughts on like the you know, how the cars like drove differently?
So it felt like there's more G-force going around the corner in that one.
Okay.
But it felt like you had more like acceleration speed.
Sure. Okay.
And I think that's out of like just the two.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it felt like to me.
Yeah.
But like at the same time, I'd say after you got past that, you went past that like long left. There was we went around the long right, then you went around the S's, and then I'm sorry, right when we went around the S's, that's when it felt like this thing was like got even closer comparable to the cornering like that.
Sure.
Maybe I got the tires warmed up a hair or something.
It could have been that. You know, it could have just been like. Part of what I'm trying to do, at least better, is pick a point in the sweeper to look ahead at, and then, you know, kind of just point and shoot. So I think there's some kind of like reference cones that I'm using that are easier to see than others. Yeah. That's just off the top of my head. That might be what's going on. But like, honestly, like I make a plan, and then like when I'm driving, you know, shit can kind of go wherever. For sure. It just seemed like for you, like as a driver wise, it seemed like you were like definitely, he was being a little more reserved. Okay. You were like you were like trying to get up against the cones. Yeah, you know for sure. Yeah. I've been told that on slaloms I'm pretty decent at getting closer to cones. Yeah. You know, sometimes it's hard for me to tell, but usually, you know, with the footage helps a ton. If I really need, like if I'm hitting a cone and like I just don't know how to get around it, I'll put my GoPro like
right there.
Exactly. And just like be like, where exactly am I hitting it? Where can I place the car to help that? But you know, over the couple of years I've been doing this, 2 years not much. You know, it's gotten a lot better. Like my first couple of autocrosses, I was like feet away, and now it's like I'm trying to, you know, slink around. And some of these guys are doing that. You see like especially these trucks, like they'll literally like slink around the cones.
I put a GoPro on the that Hawk Corvette, and I had it right on the corner, like right, and like it actually like every time I watched the footage, I had it to where like he was like, I'm talking like, I was like, I actually thought I was like, maybe I shouldn't have put the GoPro there. It was that close. So like the footage was cool, but I appreciate I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
No problem, man. Anytime.